sleeping so quietly. My whole family is still sleeping, so I'm gonna try to be quiet. But today is Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas to you guys. It is actually my brother's birthday, so we're going to be doing whatever he wants to do. I think we're going to go out for breakfast in a bit once everyone gets up. And today should probably just be a pretty chill day. Probably hang out just as our immediate family for a little bit, and then we'll end up going over and hanging out with everyone else later. I am at the beach house right now. I've got my heater right here because the heat in here still does not work. We're like, sorry, we can't fix it. But I'm going to sit here on the couch with my laptop and catch up on YouTube videos because I've not been able to watch like anyone's Vlogmas or whatever this whole, like the past few days. So I have a lot to catch up on. So I'm just gonna sit here and watch some videos until everyone else gets up. Then we'll go out to breakfast, celebrate my brother's birthday, and we'll be going home tomorrow. We won't get back home until late at night on Christmas Day, so we will be celebrating Christmas on the 26th.
Hired to dig out the basement to the children. We dug it out in record time because we wanted to show that.
Okay.
Wow. Well, it's got little fuzzy things. Oh, cool.
Uh-oh. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to go to the beach right now. I've got my swimsuit on, and I just need to get some sunscreen and stuff on, and then I will be ready to go. My cousins and aunt came over, so we're gonna go over with them, and here at the house we have like a surfboard and a bunch of boogie boards and stuff like that to have fun and take at the beach. Should be pretty fun, and then we'll probably just come back, take a shower, and then head over to the big house where my aunt and uncle live to hang out with everyone else. We are also making dinner tonight. We are going to make some enchiladas, I believe, so that should be yummy yummy. But yeah, I will see you guys at the beach.
How is it? Cold? How is it? Well, that didn't go as planned. They're so cute. Oh, he's going, go, go, go! Now, get a big one!
I feel like that one was pretty good.
Yeah, I think so too. I think that's gonna be the best. I don't know how to zoom. Like this? Once you get in, it's not that bad. But it's a bit windy. Come on. I don't know. Should I go one more time?
Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm done at the beach and I'm walking back to the beach house now. That was fun, but I think I've got a little bit of a headache and lots of sand on me. Time for a shower. Guys, it's now the next day, so Merry Christmas if you celebrate. Except it's not really Christmas for us. We won't be celebrating our opening presents today because that's all at home and we are in California. But we will be going home today, but we won't get home until late. I still have to pack up all of my stuff. But it is now Christmas, so that marks the end of Vlogmas. I really had a lot of fun with Vlogmas this year. I've never done it before, so this is my first time. And I had a lot more fun than I thought I would. And I did a lot more than I thought I would. And I'm glad that I documented all these memories. And for those of you who watched every single one, I am very impressed. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed to watch them too. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful day. Merry Christmas. And I'll see you next time. Whenever I post a video next, I'll probably be doing like a what I got for Christmas or something like that, so stay tuned. Bye guys.